Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to get the most out of your monitor by adjusting the refresh rate. Trust me, this is going to make a big difference in your viewing experience. To reset the refresh rate on your monitor, follow these simple steps. And hey, if you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Once that's done, let's move on to the next part of the guide. Let's get started. The first method involves using Windows settings. Right-click on a blank area of your desktop. Make sure it's not on an application, file, or folder. Click on Display Settings. Once in the display settings, you can choose which display you'd like to adjust. If you have multiple displays, select the one you want, but don't worry too much. We can do this later as well. Scroll down until you find Advanced Display under Related Settings and click on it. Choose the display you want to adjust in the top right corner, like Display 1 or Display 2. Scroll down to find the refresh rate option. Simply click on it and select the refresh rate you'd like to use. In my case, I have the option of 60 Hz because I am using a low-end monitor. And that's it for the first method. Now let's talk about the second method, which involves using your graphics card's control panel. Here's how to do it. Open up your graphics card control panel. In my case, I'll be using the NVIDIA control panel. You can either search for it on your computer or right-click on your desktop, select Show More Options, and then tap on the NVIDIA control panel. On the left-hand side, go to Display and click on Change Resolution. Scroll down until you see the refresh rate option on the right-hand side. Here you can select the refresh rate you'd like to use for your monitor. Make sure to click Apply in the bottom right corner to save your changes. And that's it, folks. These are the two simple ways to change your refresh rate in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.